Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel. On this video, I'm going to give you 5 book suggestions that personally changed my life in the last 11 years. And I'm certain if you are struggling anything in your life, or if you're desiring anything in your life, these books are going to be a big help. And these authors are amazing. They have changed my life, and I know they're going to change yours too. Guys, I am Amara. I am your inner power coach. On this channel, I'll help you to recognize your own inner power, because we have the power inside in us. And my whole point of this channel is to help you to recognize that you have that power too. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 books that changed my life, and I know they're going to change yours too. So my first book suggestion is going to be about people who are into business and who are looking to run their business or struggling with their business or work. This is a great book when it comes to entrepreneurs or people who are deciding to start their business. I started my business when I was 19, and I remember I followed a lot of principles of this book. So for the business people who are looking to grow their business, who are looking to grow their money, especially business or entrepreneurs, go study Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. It's an amazing book. I personally have used it in my business, and it skyrocketed my profit from where I was to where I wanted, because it is so practical, yet it's so spiritual, yet it's so mental and theoretical that it will absolutely make you a better person. And if you are struggling with your childhood, or if you're struggling with your self-image or self-concept, one of the very beautiful book that Psycho-Cybernetics, it's been used by many people, and I have read it. It's quite lengthy, but it is a very, very beautiful book that I'm certain is going to help you in that. Another thing, if you are into manifestation, or if you are into mind over matter, another book or another author that I personally will suggest is Neville Goddard. You can start with his book called Feeling is the Secret or Out of This World. Those are very small books, yet they are very powerful and very beautifully showcase his work, his message. I'm a huge fan of Neville Goddard. I listen to him every single day. I've been studying him for 5 years, and in my coaching, I use the work of all of these authors to suggest my clients or people I'm coaching with to get sustainable and good results. So go give it a try. He is a beautiful author who kind of tells you that how powerful you are, and I'm so grateful to him. I can talk about him for hours, so I don't want to keep talking about it. Number 4th book, if you genuinely want to change yourself as a person, I will not kid you, go for Joseph Murphy, called The Power of Subconscious Mind. I have heard and listened to this book probably close to 50 times. And each time I read this book, it gives me a different message. So I personally suggest, if you are looking long-term changes in your brain, changes in your behavior, wanted to change your thinking as a person, The Power of Subconscious by Joseph Murphy is the book you do not want to miss out. It's a book that I would suggest if you want to make money and understand money and kind of understand the psychology of money. I cannot recommend this enough. It's called The Richest Man in Babylon. This book is so tiny, yet it's so powerful. This is a must if you want to change your relationship with money, same as Napoleon Hill. So this is very, very recommended for people who are into business, who wants to grow their income, or who wants to improve their relationship with money and see the money as a tool. This is the book for you. So go ahead and enjoy these 5 amazing authors and book that personally has helped me a lot in 11 years. I now run 3 successful businesses, and these authors, and there are so many other authors, but these are the top 5 picks that helped me personally, and I know it's going to help you too. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and if you like my videos, then please comment below and let me know what you have learned through these books, and I'll see you in the next one.